Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how if our PC not giving the display, so how we are going to solve this issue. So I'm going to show you in this video how we can open the motherboard and then we check the properly what is the actual problem. All everything I'm going to show you, and then how we can resolve the issue. It's a small or big issue that easily we can solve by ourselves. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's begin and then check the motherboard how. Okay friends, so this motherboard we open already from the case. So I'm connecting this motherboard. We just connect the display first. So actually we can see the what is the problem. Okay friends, so we connect already the power supply to the motherboard, then keyboard, and then the graphic card. We connect already the VGA cable because I'm using the graphic card to the display, not using the motherboard VGA. So I just now on the motherboard to check how. So you can see the CPU is running, but if I can show you my no any display there, you can see the yellow light. There is no any display. Motherboard is running, so our motherboard is running, graphic card also working. I clean already the RAMs, then take out already the CMOS battery to reset the BIOS setup, but still we cannot get the display. So we check the properly all the capacitor in the motherboard, then we see if there is mostly the causes the even one capacitor is burst. There is no any display or motherboard not starting. So I show you how what is the actual problem to not going giving the display. I take out the power supply. So now I am showing you the actual problem of this motherboard. If my camera can show you this capacitor, you can see it's already burst. You can see it's up. Then this capacitor, you can see this one is okay in the good condition. So this one capacitor is burst, and then another capacitor is here. Because I already detected, I just show you as a proof the no display because of this two capacitor. You can see this capacitor difference. This one you can see the cross is clear, but this one you cannot see the cross clearly because this one already burst. So these two capacitor, one this one, then one this one. So we both take out and then change. After that we check again. We will 100% sure that this motherboard will give the display properly. So we open this two capacitor, then we continue. Now we take out this capacitor. So this one is the capacitor. It's burst already. Take out another also. So this one also we take out already, the same. So now I need to order this one. Then once I receive that one, and then after we change and continue, and then we see the results. So actually this two capacitor is the problem. You can see the on the top already burst, and then fade already you can see. So this both we change and then we see how. Okay friends, so I order, and then just now I received already these two capacitor new, so I open and then we fix here. So this one is the same voltage, actually not the same size but the same voltage I order and then I received already. So now I fix this one. So before you fixing, you must confirm that minus side, this one is actual minus side, you can see also this one old one. So you follow the same thing, you don't fix wrongly to minus plus side, that after your motherboard will not work proper. Okay friends, so we put the minus plus perfectly. Now we try to solder in there in the back. So this one side we done ready. Now the second side, and then if you don't know the minus plus, also you can see here the minus plus icon, you can see here the plus, and then this one is minus side. So you also detect the minus plus side also if you don't know. And then the transformer also you can see, this one is the minus and then this one is the plus side. Then minus side is the short and then the plus side is long. So you follow that same thing to fix. Okay friends, so you can see here that one I changed already. Then this one also I changed already. So this one is the old. So now we try to connect our motherboard power and then see what is the results. Hope this two capacitor we fixed, it's working, and then our motherboard will be able to get the display on the monitor. So I connect now this motherboard with the power supply and then monitor, then we see. So now time to test. We connect the power supply, keyboard, mouse, then VGA, monitor, all everything, and then we check the final results. So I put the previously we have the graphic card, so we use the same graphic card in our motherboard. So it's time to run the PC. My camera can show you the CPU is running, power supply is running, and then if we check the monitor now, the monitor also got already display of our motherboard. You can see there motherboard already come, so you can check. So our motherboard is running perfectly after we change the system. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video with the new updates, new tricks, new tips. Thank you.